Financial market news from GoldClays. Bitcoin could fall 25% if it doesn't break $25,000 resistance. Understand. Last week, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, recorded another appreciation and approached the barrier of $25,000. However, the price struggled to continue the move and failed to consolidate above this resistance. Thus, BTC opened this Monday, 15, at $24,245, down 0.43% in the last 24 hours. In reais, BTC accumulates a rise of 1.8% thanks to the performance of the dollar, being quoted at 123,354 Brazilian reals. However, failure to break this resistance could cause the price to start a new downward spiral. According to the charts, the drop could reach 25% and bring the price back to the $19,000 region. Dogecoin is up 13% and ETH, BNB, Matic and AVAX are trading higher. Bitcoin struggles to new resistance level. The cryptocurrency market started Tuesday, 16, with a slight increase. With the exception of Bitcoin, most altcoins were up by up to 5%. In the early hours of the morning, investors turned their eyes to the BTC support level at $24,000. According to some analysts, the new investigations opened by regulators in countries like the United States and India prevent the currency from continuing the rally. The main cryptocurrency on the market was trading for around BRL 123,000 this Tuesday. This represents a drop of 0.5%, according to CoinGecko. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency on the market, has returned to gain. With altcoins rising and the good news about the merge, ETH is up another 0.7% in the last 24 hours. The current price of ETH is 9,741 Brazilian reals. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading marginally downwards at the $1.14 trillion mark, down as much as 1% in the last 24 hours. Additionally, total trading volume dropped by nearly 6% to close to $68.95 billion. Liquidations exceed BRL 1.4 million after Bitcoin price drops below BRL 127,500. The price of Bitcoin reached the mark of $25,000, about 127,500 Brazilian reals, encouraging the crypto market. However, a rejection of this move sent BTC down more than 3%, showing that there is strong resistance from the bears. The drop took many retail investors by surprise. However, professional investors were already aware of the resistance. Liquidations were strong and made the asset drop in price quickly, highlighted Bestoe. The analyst pointed out that in the last 24 hours, settlement volumes have grown exponentially. The bearish move took Bitcoin back below $24,000 and tens of thousands of traders found themselves at the mercy of the market. As the analyst highlighted, several traders recorded losses with the fall of the cryptocurrency. In the last 12 hours, settlements exceeded $100 million. BTG launches MyNT cryptocurrency platform with BTC, ETH, ADA and SOL. BTG Pactual, the largest investment bank in Latin America, earlier this week launched its MyNT cryptocurrency platform, which offers users 5 cryptocurrency options for trading. In addition to Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, the two largest digital currencies by market cap, BTG customers can also buy and sell Solana, SOL, Polkadot, and Cardano, ADA. Crypto assets are available to all audiences with a minimum contribution of BRL 100, with the possibility of contribution via Pix. It is worth noting that the MyNT app is separate from the BTG app. Crypto is a new technology with great potential for transformation, which brings risks and opportunities. We are promoting direct access to investments in the main cryptocurrencies on the market in a simple and secure way, in a very intuitive and complete platform, with content and financial education, says Andre Portillo, head of digital assets at BTG Pactual. First version of Ethereum hard fork code contains bug that could roll back blocks. The team behind Ethereum POW, ETHW, the potential hard fork of the Ethereum network, has released the project's code on GitHub. But on August 14th, users detected a flaw in the code that could reverse blockchain blocks. According to journalist Colin Wu, the reversal could bring the blockchain back to its pre-London hard fork status, activated over a year ago. That is, ETHW would not recognize any of the blocks created since that date, which would bring major compatibility problems. On Monday, 15, a developer alerted the ETHW team about the flaw, which underwent a fix. However, the case sheds new light on the risks of a network split causing problems for the ecosystem as a whole. Chainlink and another altcoin prepare a rally of up to 37% appreciation, says analyst. Analyst Michael van der Poppy has released yet another series of cryptocurrency reviews for his Twitter followers. According to van der Poppy, 3 cryptocurrencies are on his radar. The first 2 are Chainlink, Link, and Sealer Network, CELR, an altcoin based on Ethereum, ETH. According to the analyst's forecasts, the 2 cryptocurrencies can register valuations of up to 37%. In addition, the analyst also projected his vision for the price of Bitcoin, BTC, which fell back below $24,000 this Tuesday, 16. This drop opens a pattern that can bring buying opportunities for the medium term. Even with a hard fork, Monero can be corrected and test support at 736 Brazilian reals. After executing a hard fork on its network, the price of Monero, XMR, has seen strong appreciation, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Earlier this Tuesday, 16, the cryptocurrency jumped 7% and even broke the weekly resistance of $170, but lost steam throughout the day. As a result, XMR had a high price rejection, indicating that sellers are continuing to defend this level. Currently, the cryptocurrency is worth around $168 per unit, or 870 Brazilian reals at current exchange rates. If selling pressure persists, the altcoin may retest the support trendline, undergoing a further correction. In this regard, XMR would face a correction of up to 15.3%, dropping to the $143.736 Brazilian reals region. Bull market, cryptocurrency market prepares for a new rally. ETH, DOT and XRP all registered high. The cryptocurrency market dawned mixed on Wednesday, 17, after a day of rally among meme coins. By 9 a.m., most altcoins were up. However, Bitcoin and Dogecoin were counting on bearish. According to some analysts, the trend for the next few days is for a new bull market. The good prospects for countries' inflation and the updates and hard forks programmed by blockchains attract investors. According to CoinGecko, Bitcoin, BTC, was trading down 0.2% in the early morning hours. The current price of BTC is around 122,600 Brazilian reals. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by capitalization, rose 0.5% in the last few hours, reaching a price of BRL 9,712. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading marginally at the $1.15 trillion mark, gaining less than 1% in the last 24 hours. However, total trading volume dropped by more than 16% to close to $64.86 billion. European Union to create new regulatory authority for Bitcoin ecosystem. The European Union, EU, has announced plans to create a new regulatory authority, whose main task will be to directly oversee the ecosystem of Bitcoin, BTC, and other cryptocurrencies. Recently, a package of laws aimed at combating money laundering was published, indicating that the procedure for a new regulatory body is underway by the country's authorities. According to the latest statements from EU authorities, the new regulatory body will also act in monitoring companies that offer cryptocurrency services and which lawmakers are calling high risk. In accordance with these standards, EU member countries will collect and make available to the authorities certain data from users of the blockchain ecosystem through service providers such as BTC exchanges and other blockchain companies. Stablecoin AUSD rises 10,000% after burning mistakenly issued coins. Acala, a decentralized finance (DeFi) protocol based on the Polkadot network, has risen from the ashes. This was after their stablecoin lost 99% of its value, and the next day it was up over 10,000%. It all started when there was an overissuance of the stablecoin due to an error in the Acala code. Based on this vulnerability, the protocol created around 1.28 billion AUSD in the IBTC AUSD liquidity pool. The sudden increase in supply caused the cryptocurrency to lose parity with the United States currency. AUSD was once valued at $0.009, according to CoinGecko data. To solve the problem, the project developers burned 1,292,860,248 units of Acala dollar, AUSD. As a consequence of this action, the stablecoin began to gradually recover its value. Financial market news from GoldClays.